On the night of September 7, 2025, the sky will transform into a stage of cosmic fire. The moon, our silent companion for billions of years, will be drenched in crimson light. A blood moon, a celestial omen that has haunted human imagination for centuries. Some call it beautiful, others call it terrifying. But one thing is certain on this night: the heavens will reveal one of their most breathtaking secrets. But what exactly turns our brilliant, glowing moon into a dark red ember hanging in the night sky? The answer lies in the dance of shadows. As the Earth drifts directly between the sun and the moon, it casts its vast shadow across space. And when the moon slips into that shadow, something extraordinary happens. Instead of disappearing, the moon glows red, bathed in the filtered light of every sunrise and sunset happening on Earth at that very moment. This is the magic of Rayleigh scattering, the same phenomenon that paints our skies orange and red at dawn and dusk. Now let's walk through the eclipse itself. The show begins at 1528 Universal Time Coordinated, when the moon first touches the Earth's outer shadow, the penumbra. At first, you may not notice much. But by 1626 Universal Time Coordinated, the partial eclipse begins, and a bite of darkness appears on the moon's edge. Then comes the moment of awe, 1730 Universal Time Coordinated Totality. For nearly 83 minutes, the moon will glow like a burning ember, reaching its peak crimson brilliance at 1811 Universal Time Coordinated, before slowly slipping back into silver light. By 1853 Universal Time Coordinated, the red veil fades, and the moon begins to return to normal. This isn't just any lunar eclipse, it's a global spectacle. Viewers across Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica will witness the full glory of the blood moon. In Europe, the moon will rise already drenched in red, hanging low on the horizon, a haunting, surreal sight. Across India and Asia, the entire eclipse will unfold overhead. Meanwhile, most of the Americas will miss the show entirely, as the moon remains below the horizon. For those lucky enough to see it, this will be a night carved into memory. But long before we understood the science, our ancestors watched these crimson moons with fear and awe. To the ancient Inca, a blood moon was a jaguar attacking the moon. The Mesopotamians saw it as an omen of doom, a warning to their kings. In Norse mythology, it was Skoll, the cosmic wolf, chasing and devouring the moon. Even in the Bible, a red moon was seen as a sign of the end times. From Asia to the Americas, civilizations trembled at the sight of the crimson orb, believing it was a messenger of change, chaos, or divine intervention. And yet, what they feared, we now cherish. For astronomers, a lunar eclipse is more than just a beautiful sight. It's a chance to study Earth's atmosphere, as the red light bending through reveals secrets about our planet's air. Even future explorers on Mars might one day look back and see Phobos and Deimos eclipsed in Martian skies. Imagine that civilizations on two worlds, connected by the shadows of eclipses. The best part? You don't need any special equipment to witness this miracle. Unlike a solar eclipse, lunar eclipses are perfectly safe to view with the naked eye. All you need is a clear horizon and patience, but if you want to capture the magic, bring a camera with a tripod. Long exposures will reveal the fiery glow in incredible detail. Binoculars will enhance the texture of the moon's surface, making the crimson craters appear almost otherworldly. As the eclipse ends and the moon returns to its familiar glow, take a moment to reflect. The blood moon is more than just an astronomical event, it's a reminder of our connection to the cosmos. A cosmic heartbeat that has echoed across history, inspiring myths, fears, dreams, and science. On September 7, 2025, look up, because the universe is telling its story and you are a part of it.